These are the top 4 ways that I have personally used before. There is a W3 School, Sololan, Free Code Camp, and of course YouTube. There is also Udemy, but Udemy is not for free. So we are going to look at each of these websites, and this is the W3 Schools website, w3schools.com, and they have these courses, the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. You can take a look at it, and they also give certificates. Also there is sololan.com, and the good thing with Sololan, they have the mobile apps. As you can see, there is for iPhone and for Android, and they have these apps have a code playground, so you don't need to have a laptop or a computer to learn coding when you're using Sololan, like a JavaScript tutorial, C Sharp, PHP, and I have taken some of these courses before, and this was actually the first app that I used when I was learning how to code and create websites and applications. Another great place to learn coding for free is freecodecamp.org. As you can see, there are a lot of courses at the curriculum, so you can just create your account here. You can see there is the responsive web design certification. They also offer certificate, as well as Soran, they also offer certificate. This is also a great place to learn programming and web development. Another place that you can learn is YouTube, because there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube about web development and programming. And if you want to spend some money, you can use Udemy. Udemy is very great. They have advanced courses. So if you want to learn something from beginner to advanced, you can buy a Udemy course. And I know you can't regret this. I have bought some courses here. The instructors here teach things in details, and that's why they are selling these courses. And that's pretty much it. The next lecture is about getting started with HTML. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you then.